kanunggu halor ka hok jong ki khinna ha Meghalaya. Play Menteri Rangba ke Jilla Konrad ke Sangma ya ka Malangkona Police Outpost ha West Khasi Hills District. Yok Khusnam Indian Documentary Producers Association Award ka Plim Garo ka Chanchi Swau na ka thup jong ka Best Student Film ha Mumbai International Film Festival Arhajar Arpusau. Kmi lenti ba ka jing maramot ya ka jingking yam on sala ban pendep no ha ubnai naitung kiwe ki kam badang sa ki de ki ban trei ha ki benta ba syapo jong ka jingking ban nang penjalan Jakarta jong ka dam. Kikubor ki babania. Usyong Kanor jong ka National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Upriyang kanunggu ula penlong ya ka jingalang jong ki tenat sorkar ban kmi bania ya ka hok jong ki kena ha Meghalaya. U kanunggu ula banjur halor ka jing dankam jong ki kena ban yo ya ka jing late school ka babiang bat ula batharu badai ban wat ya ka jing don jong ki madrasas ha ka jilla. Ula pentip baki don hadu saw hajar ngut ki kena ki baduna khot met ha ka jilla. Lais pa an riu pasaw ngut ki kena ki basya kta ha ka jing pang HIV. Ula ai jing mut baki pulit officer kinthei ki deiru bantrei kum ki child welfare officer ula ong baki pulit ki don kam ban long ki bapet perman ha ka biadei bat ka jing de ya ki schedule H bat schedule X drugs. Ula kren da kabating ru ha ka biadei bat ki jingjia ki bahap ha ka Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act Arhajar Khatar da ka baong ba ya ki te ki mokaddama don kam ban bishar da ki yeng bishar ba kerpang.
We have received the information that about 364 children are infected with HIV positive. So we have requested Department of Women and Child to examine all of them. If they are eligible, to provide them sponsorship under Section 45 of JJ Act, so they can receive the monetary benefits. We have also requested them that the state is having 8,000 adult people with HIV positive. So we have requested them that examine these families. If they have any child and who is needy and eligible for the benefits of sponsorship, provide them with the sponsorship benefits. So
Menteri Rangba ke Jilla Konrad ke Sangma nen ke sngi ula play patba ya ka Malangkona Police Outpost ha West Khasi Hills District. Haba ajing kren ha ke sngi play u Sangma ula ong ba ka jing shong suk shong shngan jong ki brio ke Jilla kalong ka benta ba khmat e jong ka sorkar. Ula ong ba ka ne ka outpost ka bathmai ka don ka khubor ka ba khlan ba ka shong suk shong shngan kalong ka ba don kam da ka ba pentikna ba on sa sedang bu shu ki outpost sa shaki we ki jaka ki ba sinjor ka sukasan ha ka Jilla. Lasdang ya ka Malangkona Police Outpost hapo ka Mau Shinrut Civil Subdivision hakasnem Arhajar Khat Khandai ka jinglut bantay ya ka te ka outpost kalakot siya ka khanyaw point san lak tingka.
Program all the way from Shillong to be amongst us despite your busy schedule. Your presence here is a testament
that as a government, the safety and security of our citizens is a top priority for our government. Yes, we have challenges, we have difficulties, but amongst those challenges and difficulties, if we all work together, if we all put our heart and soul into what we want to do and achieve, if we keep the objective and the purpose in front of us clear and visible, there is nothing that we cannot achieve. And that is the message of this particular inauguration today.
Yaga Khusnam jong Indian Documentary Producers Association Award nagbenta ka Best Student Film ha Mumbai International Film Festival Arhajar Arpusau la ai sya ka Chinchi Soa Expectation kabalong ka film ha kaktin Garo ya kabala direct dai Elwa Chisa CH Sangma bat udipan Kardas. La penmi ya kanika film da ka Dr. Bhupen Hazarika Regional Government Film and TV Institute. Kanika film lengkot syapang ka khana ba muddur ka ba pen'i syapang ka jingwat ya ka jinglong tinrai ka jingya jan ha prengki briu bat ka maryang bat ka long yeng ka ba shim jat na ka kami hari lom Garo. Kajing maramot ya kajing king yam kalajan dep bat sa setangkat tu kat ni kikam kibiade bat kajing maramot ya kebenta ba syapo jong kadam kenang bandang penjelan ya kerta jongka. U CMD ka MEECL u Sanjay Goyal hinin kesngi ulaong ba kajing maramot kan dep ha kabakut jong benai naitung bat la dep lut ya kajing shna deubilat bana syakin riang jong kawei kaliang bat ya menta kajing shna kadang yait sa syakawei pat kaliang jong kadam. Ulaong bagi jingshna ha kabinta ba syapo jong kadam kin pentut ya kayat kayeng jong kikali bat kim don jing yadai AA bat kijing maramot ki badang yat menta.
We should be in a position to do the completing part and we should be in a position to complete it within July.
You were mentioning something that from the below of the
Rehabilitation of the dam and retrofitting of the bridge and everything will be completed at the same time, which I mentioned. By July end, I think we should be in a position to clear everything. Retrofitting would be the right word or not, I'm not very sure, but IIT's Guwahati and the team are doing it. And this is slightly a different kind of work, which is a specialized work. And we should be in a position to come up with the details in the days to come. But I have mentioned that it is nothing to do with the current work and it is not going to impact the traffic movement at all. Because we will be doing it from beneath the bridge and we will be doing it without hindering any traffic movement.
Harian kajing hap slap ke bajur dangshan ha gajilla ka State Disaster Management Authority Kelapen Pau. Baka sorkar jilla ka don hapadeng kajing du'nong ka bakraw na kajing julor jong kajing tei. U Commissioner bat Secretary ka Revenue and Disaster Management u Sanjay Goyal ulaong baka sorkar ka lalong ka baladep penkre nadong syadong banyale bat kijing bala banjia ka bami na kajing jur slap ha kajilla.
In 2022, I believe. So these are the areas which are normally vulnerable and we are on alert. As we have mentioned, the day for yesterday's meeting of the Honorable Chief Minister was focusing on this part, that wherever there are vulnerable areas of the flood areas or the likely to be flooded areas, we should be totally prepared, and if required, we evacuate the vulnerable population or the households and take them to a safer place, which in most of the cases is some school nearby which is at a higher elevation, or maybe some community hall and things like that.
Kubshi binta jong ka scheme Pradhan Mantri TB Book Bharat Abhiyan ka office jong ka District Tuberculosis Officer West Khasi Hills District madagasngi kelapen long ya ka program Sam Jingbam syaki prangut kinong pang TB ki basya sumar ha Mairang Community Health Center ka bahap ha Eastern West Khasi Hills District kani kade kasin jam balashim knang ban ai gijing kershan ni kinong pang ban yo ki jingbam ki bate ya ka met jongki.
Kenapa ini dokter hatu kami ada jom di kamar bunuh.
Jadi anak diberi lagi office, macam tidak di bayar lagi, ibu dan anak ada di bahagian yang ibu kadang Red Cross, ikut Red Cross Society, Red Cross itu lebih dia, ayat engineer, mau kabar dan tengah dia berpindah keluar.
Kaseng Hinyo Trep Youth Council Maukerwat Circle but Hinyo Trep Integrated Territorial Organization Maukerwat kelapen long ya kajingshong kalany mingor hajan ka office jong u Deputy Commissioner Maukerwat Southwest Khasi Hills District kiseng bhalang kila dawa ban pelat no mardor ya ka result jong ka District Selection Committee kebelapen slem menta la lai snem.
Ya ki babun ki benta ladep ro ya ka ya ki written test bat pumta terter Henry ka result hadu menta lapoi hadu sausnem bat sansnem kampat mi baro ki kun samla jong ka district hi bro kawai da pi don ganu ka jinio i ka ba PPE ba ka ni kolong ka bom day mi syakmat kumangitip hi ba kinong tep ya ki post house nem aja ka kendai Nombina yang sopo hajangur ki kena samla. Henry, menta arpo arni simio arpo hara play of south. Menta arsnim sten. Balai bakasimpor kami bantummi tangi geriza.
Umintri Bakmi Yakatanat Soil and Water Conservation Marcus and Marak ula play yaka Soil and Water Conservation Beat Office bathamai hakashnong Lasken West Giant Hills dakajing tmu ban penklan yaka kampenne pensa hakaleng ki saupunyo tali ki shnong ki bahap hapo ka ilaka Raliang. Menteri Ulaong bakani ka Beat Office kan penyo yakila jingerap badan kam syakipat ba bat minta kim don kam show ban hablet chajengai ban yo yakijing yarap kibiadei bat katanat.
Kinong gerak kubi, kinong smart, kinong krek, kinong ketak.
The Vision and Selfless Act have paved the way for facility that will greatly benefit 47 surrounding villages. This centrally located plot spanning 1,06,430 square feet stands as a beacon of hope and progress for many.
Ka Office Jong U Superintendent of Police lalam khmat daw Officer in Charge ka Jawai Police Station uba S Manar hagajinge troy lang bat kami Mintru Community Social Welfare Association kalapen long ya ka program ai jing pensyai patba halor ka jing kirni ya udrok bat ka jing khayitu hayo theme lat halabo Jawai ya kani ka sin jam lapen long komshi benta jong ka jing rakhe ka bansawan ya ka International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking ya ka ba on sa rakhe ha ka arpun riotorik matao benai haba ai jing kren ha kani ka sngi u Officer in Charge ka Jawai Police Station uba S Manar ula banjur halor ka jing kta jong udrok ha ka imlang ka salang bat yakinong di ru komjo
Lekta ago, hangro agiliang. Wada bon ki kena kendro kena kelur kiyong i kudengan anu drop. Ndre kaman ngaki ko utipi kaman wa kini kecing ilang perlok kiyong ki nene de kecing ya lai perlok kiyong ki wadi wadi nene ya kiwa ya mat anu drop. Kecing ki anu drop man ko pensi untuk deu yu brusemen untuk deu ya yu tu nongki ndre ke waselsi to bokta kaya ke imlang salang. Mkwa i wato ke state kiyong i nene ke district kiyong i ko ku ha kecing di drop. Nama de bah ida de ke jingki zaman ku ke kam ku ini ke graf ku ceneng dan rem kuai uman cinte ke state yang i district yang i ton man ki jajru lene ke society ku ye le percaya no drugs
Ki riu e jingruai bat jingput jingtem jongka West Giant Hills District kilai lomlang ban rakhe ya kasngi World Music Day nen kasngi ha District Library Auditorium Mintong Jawai klem da shim bairung ya baro kinong wan petkai hakni ka jing rakhe la yo i ya ka jing wan ya shim benta jongki kin hun nongruai bat kin hun tem na ka district na ki school bat college ba pher kala dan ru ka jing pen bernia da ki khot ka kin hun chiyung Hagani ka jing rakhe la pen inam ru ya ki tiar tem tenrai bar ka fashion show kabla pen ya hap kat kum ka riti dustur tenrai Mentapat nganyapet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sinmedeng ha shilong. Ka jing shit kalong arpusaw point pra degree Celsius bar ka jing kriat kalong khatnyo point rio degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka haw kalong khandai po na ka shispa min step bar pra po na ka shispa janmit. Ka jing hap slap kalong 0.9 millimeters. Kalabandon ka jing hap slap bamanumala habun ki jaka. Shwaban poy siya bakut jong ka tup kubor nganyapet biang sashisien ya kimat bakongsan. Penlong jingelang usong knor ka National Commission for Protection of Child Rights upriyang kanunggu halor ka hok jongki kemna ha Meghalaya. Play Menteri Dangba ke Jela Konrad K. Sangma, Yaka Malangkuna Police Outpost, Ha West Khasi Hills District. York Kusnam Indian Documentary Producers Association Award ke Film Garo, ka Chanchi Swa nakatop jong ka Best Student Film ha Mumbai International Film Festival Arhajar Arpusau. Kmi lenti bakajing maramot ya kajing king yam on sala ban pendep no haugnai naitung kiwe ki kam badang sa ki de ki ban tre ha ki benta ba syapo jong kajing king banang penjelan Yakarta jong kadam. Teparlok atung ilapoi syakabakut jong katup kubor jengi mataga janmiet hadu bane syambiang bat pila syai kesngi keblei pi baro.
In T20 World Cup today.